Hi, we'll be solving a probability problem today. What is the probability of rolling two fair dice and having at least one die show an even number? So we are rolling two dice and we have to find what is the probability that at least one die will show an even number. Now we are going to use a concept here, which is probability of getting at least one of something is equal to 1 minus probability of getting zero or getting none of that thing. That means if you have to find probability that at least one die will show an even number, so probability of at least one even number will be equal to 1 minus probability of zero even number, or will be equal to 1 minus probability of getting two odd number. Now when we roll a die, we know that we can get any of the six numbers from 1 to 6. And out of these six numbers, three numbers, 1, 3, and 5 are odd numbers, and three numbers are even numbers. So if you are rolling one die, then probability of getting an odd number will be 3 out of 6 or will be equal to 1 by 2. That means probability of getting two odd numbers will be getting the odd number in the first one, which is 1 by 2, multiplied by getting an odd number in the second one is also equal to 1 by 2, or is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, or is equal to 3 by 4. So this was one way of solving the problem. Let's solve the problem using another method. So when we are rolling a die or when we are rolling two dice, then there are four possible choices. Either both the numbers will be even, first one will give an even, other one will give an odd. First one will give an odd, second one will give an even number, or both of them will give an odd number. Since it's a fair die, so there's an equal chance of all of these options happening. That means if you have to find what is the probability of getting at least one die to show an even number, that means any of these three cases are possible. Since there's an equal probability of all of these cases happening, so the overall probability will be equal to 3 by 4. So answer will be option number B. Now, if you want to master the concepts of probability, do check out the theory video and the practice problems provided in the description of this video. Hope you found the video useful and do share your comments on the video. Thank you.